Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply coupon on Nike. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method. First of all, go ahead, open up your app, tap on sign in and get signed in. Once you're done signing in, you're going to go ahead, go to the home section, and you're going to first add some things to checkout on your cart. So you can go ahead, go to checkout. Once you're in the checkout section, the first option will be select your payment method. Make sure you have confirmed your address as well. Then once you go to payment method, because Nike simply accepts a variety of payment methods, including debit and credit card and Nike gift cards as well. Among the payment methods, you will find the option of gift card and vouchers and coupons. Go ahead, tap on it. Once I tapped on it, you will find the section where you have to simply add in the code of your coupon. Go ahead, check out the physical coupon that you have received or the digital coupon that you have received. Check out the number. Normally, sometimes it will ask 16 digits of coupon code or sometimes 4 digit of pin code as well. According to the card of yours and according to the Nike itself, according to the app itself, enter your code respectfully over here. Make sure it's correct, so recheck it twice, and then tap on apply. That's how you will simply be able to apply your coupon code. That's how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.